Hello, today we are working on lab 15.1 Network Sandbox Lab. This lab is an open environment or sandbox where you can experiment with various network devices and computers. You can access the devices from the toolbar to create different network configurations. This table provides additional information regarding the pre-configured settings. So we go ahead. Remember, this is 15.1. Let's start lab. And in case this video appears to be too fast for you, remember you can always pause the video and work at your own pace. So let's start up right away. Click on this and bring in comp 1 here. We'll launch Windows. Go to start and go to, let's see, disk management. So let's expand this and click on disk 1, right click on it, and what I'm clicking here, let's go to delete. Yeah, let's delete this volume. Yes. Okay, so it's not showing unallocated, and then we new simple volume. So we go to next and we're going to select the size of the disk we want to create. Click on next and the drive letter is going to be Z. Click on next and the volume name is going to be volume for digital doctor. Click on next, click on finish, I guess. Alright, so everything appears to be fine here. So we created a new volume here and then new simple volume for the remaining space that is left. Next, and let's give this volume B, and next, and the volume name, let's give this volume for U. Next, and everything seems fine, so we click finish. So everything is done here. We created a new volume in disk 1, so I can see the details of the new volume we created. Alright, so I guess that is it. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.